Hey! You want one you? You want you go? Hey! Look at that well. Igbo kwezono, yeah. Woo! Ekeresimesi lugo, ndị be anyị, it's Christmas time. Ekeresimesi, Christmas. A ga-agba ya agba, a ga-ete ya ete, a ga-eli ya eli, a ga-agba ya ahụ, a ga-etele ya egwu. Yeah. Woo! Merry Christmas. Ekeresimesi elugo n'Igbo. What we call Christmas is Ekeresimesi. The most wonderful time. Igbo people, we gather in this time, we rejoice. I na-abịa gba egwu, anyị elie nri, anyị afụ ndị ezinụlọ anyị. We see all our family members. Christmas is a lovely time. As you can see, I am in the abroad. I couldn't make it down to the village this year. I will see village next year. But this year, we will celebrate it in the abroad. As you can see, I have my Christmas tree here. Dressed in my native attire, I'm going to do some Christmas dance for you guys, okay? Ekeresimesi. I don't know if you know this Christmas song in Igbo. Ekeresimesi elugo papa gwa ya inoko. Ekeresimesi elugo papa gwa ya inoko. Hey, ayachara akụkọ. Ayachara akụkọ. Ekeresimesi elugo mama gwa ya inoko. Hey, ayachara akụkọ. Ayachara. Ekeresimesi elugo mama gwa ya inoko. Etikeke, 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 etikeke. Ekeresimesi elugo papa gwa m ihe inoko. Ayachara akụkọ. Ayachara akụkọ. This song is simply saying, Christmas has come. Mommy, tell me what I'm wearing. Daddy, give me what I'm wearing. I don't want story, oh. Stories that touch. Where is my Christmas clothes? I want to dance. I want to take atelogo. Achọrọ m ịwa ya. Nsi etu a. Ekeresimesi elugo papa gwa m ihe m ga-eyi n'ụkwụ. Ayachara akụkọ. Ayachara. Ekeresimesi elugo mama gwa m ihe m ga-eyi n'ụkwụ. Ayachara akụkọ. Ayachara akụkọ. Ayachara akụkọ. Ayachara akụkọ. I'm going to tell you guys a little story about how we used to celebrate Christmas when I was much younger. So then, once it's wishing like 1st of December like this, my mom would get broom and measure my leg. Once they just measure your leg like this, you know that Christmas has started because new shoe is on the way. You know what? I must use broom to measure my children's leg. I must use broom to measure my children's leg so that tradition will not die. You know, you measure the leg, you now take it to the shop and buy shoe. On Christmas Day, we'll wear it like this, my new clothes, my new hair, everything. We're going, we're eating chicken, rice, enjoying. Family will come back from all over the world. Happiness and joy during the Christmas season. You will not see those antingo with their high heel. Antingo, no. Oh my dear, no come here from shoe. Kwa kapusu. Antingo, no. Oh my dear, no come here from shoe. Kwa kapusu. 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 Ọmalishe ekeresimesi ka unu gbaa ya agba, unu ete ya ete, unu enwe aṅụrị, unu eli osikapa, unu aṅụọ mmiri, unu ezuo ike, unu na ezinụlọ unu achịkọta ọnụ ka ụmụnne wee nwee aṅụrị. Ifugie, that's Christmas for you, you know. So this Christmas season and the new year are awful. Ka awful wetela ya ezigbo ndụ. Ise ka o wetela ya arụ isi ike. Ise ka o wetela ya ọchịchị obi anyị. Ise ka o wetela ya ogologo ndụ na arụ isi ike. Ise. So I just said, let this new year bring us long life and prosperity. Let it bring us health in our body. He's saying amen, okay? As you can see, this is my Christmas dress, my Christmas outfit. Even though there is a Christmas tree, when we're growing up, nothing like Christmas tree. Our dress is our Christmas tree, you know. As you can see, I look orchard and orchard, okay? So I pray that your Christmas will be so beautiful like this beautiful dress, okay? Kunu mwezi Christmas, ga mama ko malichapa. Oh yeah, let's dance. Oh, you say me bego. Hey, Igbo. Hey! Woke zono. Kai funaro.